I removed this device, set that aside. We're going to now try to see what's going on with the Z-axis. Now, I'm not exactly sure. I'm doing a camera angle that you all can't see. Anyway, let me transition to this. So, on these printers, there is a Z-axis which you manually install. They tell you to put it in 100 millimeters, and then this is a little stop switch which tells it whenever it's actually hit the Z. So, I found a model for an adjustable one, which I think would be very handy to have in this situation. However, my 30 millimeter screw doesn't have threads going all the way to the head, so I need to get a different 30 millimeter screw to actually make it work. So we're going to try to do some manual adjustments today to try to see where this should be. Now, I did a homing thing, and I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be or not, but with it at home, I can't move the paper. So I think that would indicate that this Z switch is set slightly too low. So I think we need to raise it just the littlest bit. Like I said, it would be really handy if I had something like this where I could raise it and lower it by, turning a dial, but that's not in the cards for right now. The cat would like to be let in. Give me a moment. Let me let in the kitty cat. Meow, meow. Come on in, Jasper. Come on, we're live streaming. Come on in, yeah. Yeah. Hey, everybody, this is Jasper. Say hi, Jasper. Yeah, that's Jasper, everybody. Okay, so I'm going to rotate this around, and I'm going to raise the Z a significant amount. I'm going to see if I can figure out how I might be able to raise this up just a little bit. Or I can figure out how to make this work. Potentially. With the screw that I have. That might be something worth trying. So, share what I'm actually trying to do here. So, I have this here thing. I need, see if I can actually get it started. No, not quite. It just needs to go a little bit more. It's almost in alignment. Might have to reprint this and try to get another screw. I don't think I'm going to get that one out. Well, all right, so we're going to give up on that for now until I reprint it or something else happens. We're going to see if we can adjust this by a minuscule amount. Let's see. I need a bigger one. I'm going to trip on you, kitty. Well, there we go. Now I can move the paper, so I moved it too much. I can still move the paper. It's mostly tight. I'm just barely bumping it down just a smidge. Let's try that. Okay, now I can feel it, but it's not holding it still. So I'm going to tighten it down right there. That's where I'm going to tighten it down. We're going to see if that works any better. I'm going to tighten that down just like that. Now, ideally, it'd be great to have something that was adjustable. And we'll get there, but just not right this second. So that's great. So that should be a lot better, and that should keep us from digging into the plate. Let me see how it is, and then now that is just right, actually. I can feel it, but it's not preventing it from moving. Okay. We're gonna go back home. All right. Now we're gonna go back home. See if I can get that light glare out of there. I don't think I can. Maybe from this angle, something like that. All right, we'll try this for a moment. So we're going to go to leveling. It's gonna home. All right, we're gonna start with 1. I'm gonna put a piece of paper on the bed. I'm gonna go to 1. Let's see. Now the idea is we want the paper to, okay, I can move the paper. but I can also feel its presence with the actual hot end. So that's good. Let's try 2. That's going to be up here. Okay, that's a little tighter, but I can still move the paper. Let's try 3. I can feel it. It's providing resistance, but I can still move the paper. I think we might have solved it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to get too excited before we get through the other 2 points, but yep. And again, I can pull the paper. It doesn't hold it firm, but there is some resistance. Let's go to 5. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I think after a week of scratching my brain and reading everything, I think we might have gotten it. And again, it's the same fill. Maybe a little tighter back here, but not much. Oh, hey, Jasper. Yeah, come on up. You can come up. Come on. You want to come up there? Sure, you can come up there. Yeah. All righty. So, that is actually pretty exciting. That is a lot better than I was able to do last week when we tried this. So, all right, Jasper, we're going to clean the bed and then we're going to print. You make a wonderful assistant, Jasper. Don't mess with the tools. Let me get the towels. Shop towel. And we will get this cleaned. Yeah, you can sit right there. All right. All right. This is isopropyl alcohol, 99%. Oh wait, where's my camera? 99% isopropyl alcohol. Yep, and it smells like it too. Using that to get any grime, any of my finger oils, my hand oils, if you will, off of the printer. Let me go to settings and let me move this. Take it home so I can wipe the back. All right. Let it set for a second and then wipe it off. All right. Now we're going to do our first print, which will actually be our 3rd attempt. But hey, who's counting, right? All right, let's see what we got. So, move that out of the way.